I think I'm ready for a door tap.
Get him, Matty! Get him, Matty! What's up, guys? Welcome back to our biannual YouTube video. In this video we are gonna go drifting. We're on our way to Shannonville right now. We got Josh behind the camera, my brother Randy behind us, and me. Our cars are already at the track. It's pretty early, but we are running late, and yeah, we're gonna kill some tires today, so stay tuned and remember to comment, like, and subscribe so you get notified when we post a video. Our next one will probably be 2024, 2025. So yeah, you don't want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you at the track.
He almost just took us out.
So guys, made it to the track. We just got all set up. Like I said earlier, the cars are here. And we were just thinking, I don't know if you've really seen all of our drift cars and what they are. So I thought I'd show them to you. Obviously, we got the Miata. You probably know this the best on the channel. Bone stock. Good little drift car, welded diff. And this is my brother's S10. I believe it's a 91. This is 91, Rand?
Yeah.
Yeah, 91. It's got a 350 small block in it, as you can see. We've been having issues with it, overheating and all that fun stuff lately. He doesn't have much seat time in it just because it's been such a pain in the ass. But it's a full drift car cage, as you can see right there. Yeah, the coolest part is it's got a 350Z rear end, rear subframe rather, with a, oh, you're moving, buddy, with cantilever suspension on it, which is pretty cool. So you can have way more adjustment than you would on a solid axle. And then this car here is Josh's. It's an E90, a 2006 330 XI. It's gutted, one seat, turned into a drift car. It's actually been crazy reliable how good it is, especially for a BMW. He just shreds tires and puts gas in it pretty much. But yeah, we're here. We're about to head out and get ready on the track. And yeah, we'll take you along for that. So stay tuned, guys. Like I said, we've had nothing but issues with the 350 small block in this S10, but as you can hear, I'm sure it's running. Hopefully we go out and shake it down and have no issues. It's overheating, or it's been overheating. We think we got all the air out of the system, and we're pretty sure that's why it was overheating. And it also had a lot of blow by. We think that we've got a bad exhaust valve on the left side of the motor, but I don't know. We got a catch can on it now, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we go out and he's able to shred tires and not have any issues. And yesterday, he also had an electrical fire, but we think we got that resolved. So let's head out in this thing and see what it's got. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. So Randy's truck is extremely hot. It's at 300 degrees and it's coming out of the overflow. Woo! That's hot.
Ooh, the brakes are hot too.
Brakes.
That's right.
So that means that tank was under pressure and it was about that close to exploding. But yeah, we're killing it today. Yeah, this is awesome. Hopefully that sucks a lot back in by the time we're done. But yeah, that's sick. So day's done early for Randy here. Blew the clutch line on the truck. The clutch line actually rubbed the front tire, which is stupid because we finally got it running well. But yeah, it's just frustrating that something stupid like that, which could have been prevented with a zip tie, is what took him out. But he's going home, and then we're gonna keep shredding, and then we're going home too in a couple hours.
So sick, dude.
So we're about halfway through the day, and Josh hasn't hit the ball yet. Being a little bit. Well guys, we're all done for the day. Josh is out of gas, S10's broke, Miata is running mints as expected. Yeah, we're just chilling here, eating some glizzies, and getting ready to head home. Any final words there, Josh?
That was fun.
You heard it here first, folks. That was fun. Anyways, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned. We've got a video coming out in 2027, and it'll probably be pretty good. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, boys. Peace. Fucking jump my car.
Get him, Batty! Get him, Batty!
Slippery fuck. Come on.
Wait, use the dad strength, Dev.
Come on. Come on. Don't break this. You want to get stretched? You want to get stretched? I'm too fat. That You didn't even have me in a choke. Just let me get the iPad out, Barb. I'm gonna film some cars.